Do you take advantage of hotkeys when using your computer? I've always got one hand on the mouse and the other hand's on the keyboard. So I'm sitting there and I'm tapping keyboard shortcuts like crazy, and my wife sees me do something and she goes, "How did you do that? That would save me so much time." Well, with this series of videos, you too can learn to be a keyboard commando. Hi and welcome back to ScottiesTech.Info. I'm Scotty with my co-host Cletus the Tribble. Today's keyboard shortcut is good old Control P. What does that do? It prints whatever's on the screen. So here you are, you've got your Word doc, and you can come up here and do File, Print, blah blah blah, but that's kind of complicated. I just want to print. Type Control P. Hold down Control and hit P. Ta-da! Now you can choose your printer and you're off and running. But this works in pretty much every app. So I come over here in a browser and I do Control P. Well, there you go. That's not a very nice printout, but so here's an image in the Windows photo viewer. I want to print it. Control P. Ta-da, there you go. Control P to print is super handy. And what's more, when you get used to using the keyboard, arrow keys and enter key, you can actually print and change print settings without ever touching the mouse, and it saves so much time, it's insane. Now, it may not seem like much, but keep practicing, and don't miss my other keyboard commando videos. Master all the hotkeys, and before you know it, you will be computing like a pro. If you have a favorite keyboard shortcut, let me know in the comments below, and as always, like, subscribe to my Substack, and see links in the description if you'd like to make a donation to support my videos. Thanks, see you next time.